Welcome to the third and final video in our e-commerce tip series. What's left to cover? Lots, so let's get to it. Hey everyone, I'm David with Oberlo, and today we're looking at 10 more steps you can take to grow your online business. We're going to hit on how to find the best apps, we're going to talk about how to capitalize on photos, we'll talk pricing and shipping, and finally, the last and most important tip is, well, you'll just have to stick around for that one. If you missed parts 1 and 2 in our e-commerce tip series, you can find links in the description right there. All right, here we go with part 3. Take advantage of free trials on apps. As you know, experimentation plays a big role in e-commerce. So play around with apps that offer free trials. You can find tons of apps in the Shopify App Store with free trial periods. Give them a spin and see which ones can help you drive sales and growth. If you don't know where to get started in the sea of apps out there, you should be able to see an immediate impact with apps for reactivating abandoned carts and upselling. Make sure you have upsell offers on all products from day one. After all, customers who already have out their credit card are a better bet than someone who you're targeting on Facebook. One simple upselling strategy is offering suggestions for similar products and throwing in a free plus shipping gift if your customers purchase now. Take your own product photos when necessary. Along with products, Oberlo lets you import product descriptions and, yes, product photos from suppliers. But just because you can import photos doesn't mean you should. If you import a cool product that has less than stellar images, then take your own product photos. Track down a decent camera, take some time to create a nice backdrop, and snap your own pics. Product photos are vital for conversion, so even if you have to put in a little extra work making yours more professional, it'll totally be worth it. Share your customers' photos. As you start getting sales, use social media to reach out to customers and ask them to share photos of your product. Shoppers want to see what the actual product looks like in the hands of an actual customer, not just what it looks like in a touched up picture. Avoid using your customers' pictures for ads, but feel free to share them on social media or to incorporate them into your website. Just remember to dish out that photo credit. Discount codes are awesome. Discount codes are a great way to bring people to your store and give them an incentive to make a purchase right now. Some stores stick a discount-filled offers page right there in their top navigation. You could also shoot out discount codes on social media. That's an awesome way to generate social engagement and get people to stop by your store. Just make sure you price your product high enough so that you can give a discount without taking a hit. Automate as much of your business as possible. Wherever you can, use automation tools to simplify your business. And trust me, there are lots of things you can automate. Buffer lets you automate social media posts. Kit automates marketing campaigns. Shoelace automates retargeting. The list goes on. The point is, lots of your business can be automated. And the more of the business that you can automate, the better. You can be the store owner, not the employee. Don't compete on price. This one might seem counterintuitive, but stick with me. A golden rule of e-commerce is that you have to stay profitable, no matter what. So don't fall into the trap of always trying to outprice your competition. It's a game you can't win. Customers will pay fair market value for products. Sure, they love a great deal, everybody does, but whoever markets to that customer first and whoever markets best will usually win. Always use e-packet shipping. Shipping is one of the trickiest aspects of dropshipping. If prices are too high or if wait times are too long, then your shoppers might not convert. With e-packet shipping, you solve 2 problems with one shipping method. E-packet combines speed and low cost, and it is the way to get your products from China to your customers. Not every supplier offers e-packet as a delivery method, but you can use Oberlo to filter out the ones that don't. We have another video all about e-packet shipping right here. So check that out if you want to dig deeper. Create an FAQ page. Creating a page for frequently asked questions has great knock-on effects. First off, it'll reduce the number of questions that you receive from customers. It'll also give you content to shoot out when customers do have questions. So get your FAQs up. Include common questions about shipping time, shipping costs, refunds, anything that your customers might be wondering. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. The final and perhaps most important tip of all. Just start, like now or yesterday. Look, there is never going to be a perfect time to launch your store. You'll never get through all the awesome content out there. Your store design will never be perfect, and you will make mistakes, promise. But dropshipping is the fastest, least complicated way to make money in e-commerce. So go ahead, get started. Any mistakes you make now, you can laugh at in 6 months when your store is rocking it. Do you have tips of your own? Secrets for how you grew your store? You know things we don't, so drop a note into the comments and let us know what's worked for you. We're posting videos every week, so be sure to subscribe to the Oberlo YouTube channel to get a heads up when something new hits YouTube. We'll see you next week. In the meantime, Learn often, market better, sell more.